Good morning, all. We are surrounded by chemistry, but many people are not aware of that fact. Chemistry has influenced our life so much that we don't even realize that we ourselves so much into the chemistry that there are so many beautiful creations, chemical reactions, and all our activities are controlled by chemicals. So the topic of our presentation is application of chemistry in our daily life.
We are surrounded by chemistry in everyday life. Foods we eat have to do with chemistry. The drugs people use are all extracted from plants or synthesized in laboratories. Soaps, detergents, household cleaners are all chemicals made in a lab. Chemistry is not something that just lives in a lab. It's something that you encounter hundreds of times every day.
Friends, now let's see the chemistry in food. All food is made up of chemical substances. Chemicals in food, largely harmless and often desirable. Example, nutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fat, and fiber are composed of chemical compounds. Food additives are used to intensify and enhance the flavor of savory dishes. Some of these substances have been associated with adverse health effects and should be avoided, while others are safe and can be consumed with minimum risk. Artificial food coloring may promote hyperactivity in sensitive children and can cause allergic reactions.
Now we will discuss about artificial sweetening agents and their use. They are used just as a sugar substitute. They taste sweet like that of sugar, but makes your food less in calories. Therefore, it's of great importance to diabetic patients. Some common types of artificial sweetening agents include aspartame, allitame, sucralose, saccharin, etc. Next is food preservatives. Friends, food doesn't last. In days or sometime in hours, we see bread goes moldy, apple slice turns brown. On many food items may have bacterial growth on it. But we find many of the food items in grocery shops hopefully unspoiled, thanks to preservatives. But what are preservatives? Food preservatives prevent spoilage of food due to microbial growth. Some common food preservatives are oil, salt, vinegar, lemon, sugar, etc.
Now let's take the example of a fruit preservative, that is sodium benzoate. It is a preservative which is often added to carbonated drinks and acidic foods like salad dressings, pickles, fruit juices, and condiments. While certain food additives have been linked to some pretty scary side effects, there are plenty of others that can be safely consumed as a part of a healthy life.
Now see chemistry in cosmetics. We all know cosmetic companies are trying so hard these days to make human skin faultless. Chemicals, both natural and synthetic, are added to cosmetics to provide an appealing fragrance. The key ingredients present in most cosmetics include water, emulsifier, preservatives, thickener, moisturizer, etc. But why these are added? We know emulsifier is anything as ingredient that helps to keep unlike substances from separating. Emulsifier are added to change the surface tension between water and oil to produce a homogeneous product with an even texture.
Here, friends, preservatives are used to prevent the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, which can spoil the product and may harm the user. Some popular preservatives are paraben, benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, and formaldehyde. Thickeners are also added in cream products and lotion.
In a pursuit of beauty, always, it's wise to remember that cosmetics can be complex combination of chemicals. So, staying natural as much as possible still remain the best and safest option.
Now let's see the chemistry in cleansing agents. Cleansing agents Soap and synthetic detergents improve cleansing properties of water. These help in removal of fats that bind other materials to fabric or skin. There are two types of detergent, that is soap and synthetic detergents. These are sodium or potassium salts of long chain fatty acids. In the case of soap, the carbon chain dissolves in oil, that is dirt. The ionic end dissolves in water, thus soap molecule form structures called micelles. Therefore, it helps in the emulsion in water and helps in dissolving the dirt when we wash our clothes.
Drugs and medicines. Chemistry is of great importance in the field of drugs and medicine. Drugs are chemical substances that affect the physiology when taken into a living system. A pharmaceutical drug, also called medicine, is a chemical substance which is used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease or to promote well being of a person. Next is chemistry of onions. Guys, we all know that tears come out of our eyes. So please wait.
ओके बेटा.
Sorry for the disturbance. So we will see chemistry of onion. Guys, we all know that tears come out of our eyes while cutting or chopping onion. But few of us know why. So let me tell you why it happens. Onion consists of amino acid. When we cut onion, its cell breaks or burst, and the amino acid of onion react with some special enzyme to form syn-propane ethyl S oxide. It's a volatile compound and evaporates. When this acid enter our eyes, it produces a burning sensation. To reduce this burning sensation, lacrimal glands of our eyes release water droplets which come out as tears.
So let's see the chemistry in our emotions which we face in our daily life. Our emotions are controlled by levels of different chemicals in your brain, but there is no one love or hate chemical. At any given moment, dozens of chemical messengers or neurotransmitters are active. Some of these neurotransmitters go between individual cells while others are broadcast to entire brain regions. So let's take example. Your brain releases stress hormones that make you react faster, flooding certain regions with neurotransmitter. When danger subsides, your brain sends out calming signal in form of chemicals that dampen the response of regions that create fears. So, all your feelings, emotions, it's all written on your face.
Now let's see chemistry of pressure cooker. Chemistry of pressure cooker simply means working of pressure cooker. It works on a simple principle, that is steam pressure. Pressure cooker acts like a sealed pot with a lot of steam inside, which builds up high pressure, which helps the food cook faster.
Chemistry plays an important and useful role towards the development and growth of a number of industries. These industries includes like glass, cement, paper, textile, leather, dye, etc. We also see huge applications of chemistry in industries like paints, pigments, petroleum, etc.
Civilization brought in the invention of cars, buses, aircrafts, and other means of transportation, which facilitate the movement from one place to another. These vehicles are powered by the products of fractional distillation of crude oil.
So whatever we have discussed today is just we can see or feel in our life. Apart from this, we all know that there is not any shortage of examples to prove this fact that without chemistry, our life is impossible.
So it's one medium to live a better life and better doing. So it's must for everyone to learn and enjoy. Hence, effective use of chemistry is the need of this modern technological world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा। अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को कुछ क्वेरी है इस प्रेजेंटेशन के रिगार्डिंग तो हिना और अमनी से क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, अगर किसी का क्वेरी है तो। किसी को कोई क्वेरी नहीं है? चलो वेरी गुड। यानी कि हिना और अमनी ने प्रेजेंटेशन के मेथड से ही हम लोगों को सारा सब कुछ क्लियर कर दिया जो ये समझाना चाहते थे। थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा अगेन अमनी एंड हिना, वेरी गुड प्रेजेंटेशन, नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन। चलिए नेक्स्ट टीम पे चलते हैं। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट टीम लवजीत प्रिपेयर कर रही है या दीपक को बुला लें? मीटिंग में है लवजीत? हेलो लवजीत, am I audible बेटा?
यस सर।
अभी आप देना चाहोगे या पहले दूसरी टीम को ही बुला लें, लास्ट में आओगे आप लवजीत? जैसे आप
सर लास्ट में दे दूंगी मैं।
चलो ठीक, इट्स ओके 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 बेटा। दीपक, am I audible बेटा? दीपक?
यस सर।
चलो